This is a Yorx AM/FM stereo dual cassette record player from the 80s probably. And it's a low-end budget unit, all plastic construction. And basically only the radio works on it. If you try to get the turntable going, motor runs, but there's no drive to the platter. And cassette's pretty much the same story. Actually, that one's rolling. Let's see. Looks like only the unit on the right plays. Not very well either. Kind of goes for a moment. So, slipping belt there. Other one doesn't go at all. I can hear it running, so I'm going to get into the record player part first and see what. Not going to put a whole lot into this because it's a budget unit, but thought it would be fun to see if we could get it going. Alright, well, here's a look at how you get into this thing. The 45 adapter has these little clips, and you got to kind of squeeze it and lift so these clips clear the edge of the holes there in the platter. And then there's a pretty difficult to remove clip ring there on the spindle, and once you get that off, then you can lift the platter off. And once you got the platter off, it's the usual situation with equipment of this vintage. The belt here, what's left of it, is left in the bottom. It's all rotted. This is like some kind of semi-auto turntable here. There's a mechanism with a gear. So I'll have to see if I can track down a belt. Look at that, it's just disintegrating when you touch it. At least it didn't turn to goo. It'll clean up a little easier. Alright, we were able to get the belts for the cassettes and the drive belt for the turntable, which is very difficult to get on. But the speed is still not right on the turntable, and I'll demo. So I'm gonna go underneath into the electronics section and try to adjust up the speed. I can only gonna be able to do it by ear. I don't have anything to calibrate that with. No test tones on record. Okay, here's a demo of the cassette playing. Not very well, so I can hear the flutter and stuff. Still got to clean that. And this one here, pH, I'm assuming is the phono speed control. So we're going to get this back in a proper position, get the record on it, and just try to do it by ear. Okay, we recommend using Kid Charlemagne for all of your pitch adjustment, speed adjustment. And that's the wrong way. A little more. I think that's good. Well, it's no Techniques 1200. But it's working. It's a little slow now, it seems like. Here's that Yorx record player again. I went ahead and adjusted the speed with one of these strobe disc things, and you know, got it close to being on speed. Don't think I'm going to do too much else with it. The cassettes are working, and pretty happy with that all together. Working as good as it can, I guess. Let's see, I'm at the end here on this one. All the controls are working. I cleaned both of the tape mechanisms. Sounds a little bit fluttery in the other one.